Shri Ram. Welcome to my channel. So first of all, I will take the daily time frame chart. If you follow me on my Twitter, I told you all that I will be entering in a long position in my day somewhere over here, because you will clearly see it is in a sideways channel right now, sideways trend. It is a very important resistance of matic, which is at approx 0.9697 to 0.9311, and this is a very important support. This whole purple zone is a very important support. 0.7638 all the way down to 0.7386. So right now the price of matic is stuck in this sideways trend. So after this resistance, the price faced a huge resistance from here, and now it is coming down to its support. Its next target can be again to the upside, because that's the nature of sideways market. So after seeing this green candle, this is a bottom pattern, bullish pattern, I decided to enter in matic, and my entry price was this at 0.7867. Right now it is going against me, price of matic. It's okay, not a problem. Wait for the price of matic to come all the way down till 0.7448. If it does come all the way down till 0.7448, I will definitely add more capital to my position, because right now I'm only going in matic with a small amount only. So if I occur a loss, it will be a small amount, and if this trade manages in profits, then also I make a good amount of profits. So yeah, this is the matic trade. Let's see what happens. And I'm expecting a bullish move in the price of matic to the upside. So let's see what happens. I don't know the trading logic, trading setup behind it as well. I'm on the hooks daily time frame chart. I hope you remember this chart, because we entered in a trade somewhat couple of weeks ago, and we booked good amount of profits in on the hooks daily time frame. I hope you remember that we entered in a long position on hook somewhat over here, and we booked our profits all the way up till here. So this was a quick move, and we made a good amount of money. So now why I'm mentioning this again in my video is because you can clearly see there are two important levels of the price of hook. First of all, this important resistance of hook, this red resistance zone right here, and the second is this green support. So many people will say that the price of hook does not give any much price action. Then how are you saying that this is a very important support? And I'm saying this because if I zoom in, I can clearly see the price of hook. We respected this zone a lot of times, and whenever the price of hook did a pump from here, then it definitely went all the way up to red zone. These two purple zones right here and this one, these are also important zones, but I would say these are some minor zones, because the main important resistance zone is this, and the main important support zone is this. You can clearly see whenever the price of hook got rejected from this red zone, it came to this green support area, and then when the price of hook did a pump here, it went all the way up in this red resistance zone. So right now, what we can clearly see is the price of hook did a heavy and a strong rejection from this resistance zone, red resistance important zone right here, and I will also share all the levels with you later in this video. So the next target of the hook, I guess, is this green zone only, because the price of hook did went all the way up in this red important resistance. So now I would say that my analysis says that the price of hook will go all the way down near this green support zone. So right now I will not enter in any trade. I will wait for the price of hook to come down somewhat near this zone, and then after after I see any bullish confirmation or any bullish indication, I will definitely enter long book 2. Or if the price of book breaks this zone to the downside, then it will dump and dump and dump, because there is no enough price action to predict the downside levels at all. So if the price of comes near this green support zone and breaks it to the downside, I'll be using my Fibonacci to predict the next important support levels for the goods price. So I hope you understand. And now telling you the levels. So I will tell you accurate levels. So first of all, this important resistance ranges from 1.4789 to 1.4004. This is also important. This purple box, as you can see right here, this small purple box right here, this is also important resistance, and it ranges from 1.354 and up till this important red resistance box. So now the support levels are from 0.7394 all the way down to 0.623. So this whole zone is a very important support area for the price of gold. So first of all, as you can clearly see, I have written some notes here that I want to talk about the S&P 500, and let's see what is written. So first of all, I'm on the monthly time frame chart, and you can clearly see there is a bullish candle losing momentum scenario. You can clearly see this is a very big green candle, but the volume is high, not that much high, it is low. You can clearly see the volume of this bullish candle is low compared to the previous red candle. And not only this, but the next green candle's body is low, and this, I would say, only 9 days are remaining. This green candle's body is also somewhat low. You can clearly see the bullish volume is also decreasing. You will see these values right here, this one, right here, this one. These are decreasing continuously. So this means that the bullishness of the buyers are somewhat decreasing, and there are chances of a strong pullback to the downside. And also do note this important rising channel right here. You can clearly see this white trend line and this white resistance trend line, this white support trend line. You can clearly see low, higher, low, higher, and now a new higher high has been made. There are chances that the price of in the future can form a new higher low also. This higher low can come all the way down till this also. I'm not exactly predicting, but what the analysis is that the price of can come all the way down till 4,345. But what I'm expecting is it will for sure come that if the price of gold sees a reversal to downside, it will definitely for sure come all the way down its first target at 4,584. This right here. This is what I'm sure about. So I hope you saw that. The main important thing that I am trying to tell you, that the picture also that you saw in the thumbnail is, you can clearly see this rising parallel channel right here. So I made this channel very accurately, and you can clearly see this white trend line, this white trend line of resistance. You can clearly see that it is acting as a very good resistance right here, right here. And now look at this. The price of S&P 500 did a breakout of this. I would say the breakout of this white resistance trend line, completed its target at the 4,584 level, and then immediately went down as well. I guess this is what will happen this time also. As of S&P 500 will do a fake out, will go somewhat above, create a new all-time high, and then it will dump to the downside to create a new higher low, and a fake out will happen, just like it happened here at 17 July 2023. Same thing, you can clearly see it did a fake out, it completed its target, came exactly at this resistance level, and then fell down. So let's see what happens. That's what I'm expecting. Guys, now coming to the daily time frame of S&P 500 chart, and I told you in my previous video that if the price of S&P 500 goes above this important resistance level, that means if it goes and forms the all-time high, which it did form, I will use Fibonacci levels to predict its next target. That's what I will be doing now. First of all, I have to predict the bullish target. So I will draw a bearish Fibonacci first. I have to find the bearish strength and I will draw a bearish Fibonacci. So you can clearly see the important level of resistance is coming. This 1.6. Let me draw one more Fibonacci, bearish Fibonacci of this right here, this recent a small downtrend right here. Then we can clearly see this is an important 1.618. See, all the levels are important. 1.618, 2.618, 3.618, and also 0.618. These are all important levels. So the nearest is 1.618 $4,875. So for me, the important resistance, if I consider both of them, it is coming at around this whole zone. This whole zone is an important level of resistance for the price of S&P 500 right here. So let's see what happens, because as I told you, I'm bearish on S&P 500 and I shared all my analysis on monthly and weekly and now on daily time frame. So if I see any bearish indication or a reversal to the downside indication on the S&P 500 start near this zone, then I will definitely inform you guys and I will enter in a short position too. Last, coming to the Bitcoin chart daily time frame, and I mentioned Bitcoin at the last of my video because right now there is not much. As I already told you that there is a very important minor support for the price of Bitcoin somewhat over here. And this is a very important support for Bitcoin somewhat over here. And right now the price of Bitcoin is inside the support only. So entering short right now is I do not expect. I will wait for the price of Bitcoin to break this support to the downside with a huge volume and with a retest. Then I will consider going short in the Bitcoin's time frame, daily time frame chart, and first my target will be, see, here is a very minor support, but that's not what I expect. I will consider this important level of support from 31,400 to all the way down till 29,090, I mean from 30k only. So this is what I expect, and I will right now also don't get panic or don't get trapped, because do not enter in a short position just by seeing a red candle, just by seeing a $40,000. See the chart carefully and then only enter in a long or a short. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to say right here. And also what I'm thinking is that we can enter in a, not we, why? Because obviously you have to do your own analysis as well. I'm not here telling you directly where to enter or not. I'm just showing you and sharing you my analysis. Do your own analysis too. So I'm thinking of entering in a long position in Bitcoin time frame here, because you can clearly see it is a sideways channel and this is a very important support. So if I see any bullish reversal or any bullish indication from here, then I will definitely go long in the price of Bitcoin here to the upside. So let's see what happens. I will inform you all on my Twitter as well, and will make a video too. So I hope you understand all my analysis of today. Hope you will do the S&P 500 Bitcoin and Platinum. I hope you understand every each analysis. Do follow me on my Twitter, so you will get all the trade updates and many more related topics there. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to learn S&P 500 Forex, you can do that on XNS. You can create on XNS for free. You can get $1,000 bonus. Link it in the description and in the comments. If you want to trade Matic or even Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. You can get $30,000 gift for free and create an account on Bybit. with the link in the description and also in the pinned comments as well. So yeah, this is it, and see you guys next time.